it's a very different Thanksgiving this year, but if you do want to bring a few family and friends together, the recommendation is that you keep 6 feet apart. But how do you do that at a big crowded table? Well, we're going to show you how to make social spacers today. These are decorations that are going to look beautiful on your table, but also keep your guests far enough away from each other. For this project, you're going to need real live pumpkins, some spray paint. I've decided this year to not use traditional fall colors, but to still keep things rich and dark. You're going to need lots of craft store artificial flowers, a glue gun, and some kind of riser, like a cake plate. So the first thing we're going to do is take these pumpkins outside, clean them, and spray paint them. Cut off the top, scoop out all the guts, and spray paint it. Okay, with it all spray painted, it looks really nice. Now, remove the top. Remember, it's a real pumpkin in here. And now we're just gonna do a little bit of flower arranging. But now, these are fake stems from the craft store. And when you buy them, they're big and long, and sometimes they look kind of fake. So I would encourage you to cut off pieces of these and not try to use them as full stems.
Jen, just look at hole in the pumpkin. I touched it. I didn't touch before. His hands are mad. The drama.
I have drama this afternoon.
I English.
So this is pretty good. Like, you can still see over it. It blocks.